Welcome back. Today I'm going to introduce you to Indian burpees. You might have done burpees like regular push-up and jump, right? This is also a good exercise. ये आपको करनी चाहिए. Very good. But you should also try something more challenging. The Indian burpees, or also known as, हिंदी में इसको सपाटे कहते हैं, right? So this exercise is good for your flexibility, stamina, or because this is a wrestling exercise, it has more wrestling effects. आपकी body एकदम लचक वाली बन जाएगी. It is good for a back flexibility. So let's see what is sapate. Basically in this exercise, this is a combination of your desi baithak, in which you go down like this and you don't actually do like a traditional squat. In here I am lifting my heels. So when I lift my heels, my body drops down straight. So this is an Indian squat, and an Indian push-up would be where I am going like this, down and up. So the Indian burpee is of course a combination of Indian push-up and Indian squat. So how to keep it together, place it together, is like when I'm going down into the squat, I will place my hands on the floor like this, and at the same time I will kick back. पैर उसी समय पीछे की तरफ एकदम किक करने हैं जैसे ही आपका हाथ नीचे आए. 1. So now I do a push-up, and then after a push-up, when you usually lift up your hip, at that time, using that momentum, I need to get up and get up like this. So इसको स्लो में दिखाना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. So आप नीचे गए, पुशअप किया, पैर वापस और स्टैंड अप. ये बेसिक वाला तरीका इतना ही है. वेरी सिंपल, नथिंग टू डू. जस्ट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर you don't do push-up, then squat, then jump. It has to go together. तो जैसे मैं नीचे जाता हूँ तभी किक, तभी पुशअप, तभी गेट अप, राइट? सो इट इज़ लाइक one is not yet over, I'm going into the next. So I go down, kick, push up, stand up, right? So like this. Now once we are familiar with this, now we can add some more explosiveness to it. इसको थोड़ा सा स्पीड में करेंगे. And when you come up, we try to kick somewhat like this, like a Pahalwani Baithak, like the Indian wrestler squat, in which you go like this, here. My body weight is forward, but both my legs kick back. थोड़ा सा challenging है. This is good for your, what do you say, explosiveness, because all these are wrestling exercises and you need that kind of a flexible body in wrestling. So the next challenge would be go down, same thing, and come up like this. Now in the third variation, it's kind of cool, because from here, after the push-up, after you're about to get up, I kind of twist my hip and change. So I was actually getting up from here, but by the time I get up, I should be facing this side, right? So it should look somewhat like 1, 2, and then again 1, 2, 1. So that's all for today. Try this exercise. This is the Indian version of the burpees. Try the basic one. उसके बाद थोड़ा advanced वाला, and then try the twisting one. So it will challenge you. It will challenge your flexibility, your explosiveness. Try this and tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. कराटे टीवी ऑनलाइन क्लास, लिंक इस इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. छोटा चैनल है, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लिंक इस इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. कलरी धोती, इफ यू लाइक दिस यू कैन ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन, लिंक इस इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. और क्या हो सकता है, फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. And one more thing I forgot to say in the video, Karate TV online class includes this option of Karate TV personal class. So we understand there is an importance of this customized training because everybody is different. Your timing is different, like you cannot find out time. Everybody is not free at the same time. Everybody has different needs, right? For example, somebody needs weight loss or fat loss, or somebody else needs to perfect their kicks. Like we can arrange customized modules for you, like it is a 1 month package, like a online personal class, so that we can customize training for you. आपको आपने मतलब आप उसी स्पेसिफिक जोन में आपको देख सकते हैं, लाइक आपको वजन कम करना है या फिर आपको किक्स अच्छी करनी है. और यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ देसी एक्सरसाइजेज जैसे कि आप इस वीडियो में देख चुके हैं. सो यू वांट टू गेट अ स्मॉल crash course type of thing for these kinds of desi Indian exercises, or just like we usually do, which is the most popular on our Karate TV online class platform, that is a karate course, a karate certification course. That is nothing but a karate class but online. And one more thing, कलरी धोती इज़ ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. सो वैसे ये वीडियो जो है ख़त्म हो चुका है. आपको अभी भी बाहर जाना है, वीडियो से जा सकते हैं. मैं सिर्फ अपना वॉच टाइम बढ़ा रहा हूँ. तो खेलो दिमाग से, खेलो खेलो दिमाग से कहा था किसी महान कवि ने, तो वही चीज़ मैं फॉलो कर रहा हूँ. ये देख रहे हैं आप कलर, ये सारे कलर आपको अवेलेबल होते हैं. कलरी धोती वेरी कंफर्टेबल, 100% कॉटन. एंड व्हाट कैन आई से, यू नो, in the video I am jumping, and if it is something else it can tear and wear. So I am using this कलरी धोती. सो कलरी धोती में ये आप इस तरीके से कूदना पादना कर सकते हैं, फटेगी नहीं, अच्छी होती है, कंफर्टेबल होती है. इट लुक्स द ट्रेडिशनल लाइक. यू कैन यूज दिस फॉर योर कलरी पट और सम रेसलिंग और एनी इंडियन एक्सरसाइज, इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल मार्शल आर्ट इफ यू आर डूइंग, और इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू लुक कूल, राइट, इट लुक्स कूल. कूल लगता भी है नहीं? मुझे तो लगता है. आपको नहीं लगता? बताना कमेंट में.